Did you know an NBA coach once figured out how to stop the most dominant player alive by doing almost nothing? Shaquille O'Neal was a monster. 7 feet tall, 325 pounds, and basically unstoppable once he got near the basket. Teams couldn't guard him, they couldn't block him, they couldn't slow him down with normal defense. So coaches got creative in the worst way possible. Instead of letting Shaq score, they just fouled him on purpose before he could even make a move. Walk him to the free throw line, let him shoot. Because Shaq, for all his greatness, made barely half his free throws. A skill that every youth player learns in their first season became the most powerful weapon against the best big man in basketball history. The strategy even got his name, Hack a Shaq. It worked well enough that teams used it for years. And that is the wild part. One of the greatest players ever, neutralized by the simplest shot in the sport. Does a weakness like that change how you see a legend? Comment below.